I thought I heard him last night. Let's go check the cookies. Let's see. What? Sammy, you shouldn't leave cookies out. He ate half of them. What about the tray?
Did you put in a banana?
Good. Sandy's a messy eater. To Samantha. Ho, ho, ho. Thanks for the cookies. And the banana. He even made himself a glass of milk, Sam.
Balloon! He gets touch balloons too.
Yay! Santa Claus is pretty cool, huh?
Why do he get touch balloons too? That's weird.
Because it's a party for Jesus, remember? It's Jesus' birthday party.
Yeah.
Remember you got that little tree in your room, right? Should we go double check that one
I
too?
want to check it all by myself.
Okay, go ahead.
Don't follow me.
Okay, I'm right here.
Can I come?
Of course we can open them. That's what they're for.